Hi guys, it's Soccer Ball Andrei, and today it is day 5 of the 12 days of Christmas season 2. If you want to the rest of my days or just season 1, you can check out my channel. Yeah, let's get right into it. I'm excited because this is actually an unboxing because my day 4 was not an unboxing. So yeah, another Hot Wheel because my last episode was Jenga. And these are my other 3 cars. Here they are. I think the red one's my favorite because it's unique. So anyway, yeah, this is the Fast Master. I don't know if I have this guy already or if I have like a repaint, but I'm gonna figure out. There's the artwork, name tag down here. There's the back. It says .com Hot Wheels, please. I'm not gonna talk about that because it's not important. I'll be right back with this guy opened up. This guy is probably my favorite out of the rest of the cars. I mean, he definitely beats this guy here from day 1 because he faked me out. He was not a Hot Wheel. He's a drag faker. But this guy, I don't like this guy at all because he's just another El Viento. I like this guy. This is my second favorite. But this Fast Master looks amazing. I love the sleek. I love the shade of this kind of purple though. The orange, and I love the white. So very, very nice. This is the recommended car. Left off with Moses telling God that he can't do it. So we're going to do his excuses today. So the new car is gonna be Moses, and then the skateboard guy is gonna be God. Sorry, God. Anyway, we pick up our story here. Episode 5. Moses said, I can't go to Egypt because they might not believe me. Now, all of his excuses are pretty much the same, so we're just gonna go briefly with all of them. But God's are different, so yeah, let's go. And then the Lord said, don't worry, I'll help you. Talk to the king and make him very stubborn, and he will let my people go. And then Moses kept making excuses on and on and on. He wasn't like a very confident like Lightning McQueen, like, oh yeah, bring him to that race. Nope. He's kind of like, oh, I don't want to do this. This is so ridiculous. And then God said, who makes a man's mouth? Who makes him speak? And Moses keeps saying, no, please, Lord, I'm not gonna go there. And the Lord got angry at Moses, and then Moses was absolutely freaking out. And then the Lord said, your brother Aaron, he will come with you to Egypt, so he can talk for you. And here, this is gonna be Aaron from now on. This red fake, no, the yellow one is gonna be Aaron. And then he went to Jethro, his father-in-law. He said, I'm gonna go to Egypt and visit my people. And then Jethro said, alright, but please be careful. And then Moses and Aaron, everybody say, hi Aaron. And then Moses brought the Lord's staff. And then the Lord said, use that staff to bring some miracles. If you were Moses, would you go to Egypt already immediately, or you'll just make a bunch of blah blah excuses? So yeah, let me know in the comments. I will see you guys next time. Make sure to subscribe if you hadn't already. That you make it for wow, that's a nice orange base there, bro. Kind of like this right here. Make sure to subscribe if you hadn't already. That you make it part of our channel where when soccer balls hit Moses says blee blue blah blah blah, I don't want to go to Egypt. And then you scream about a lemon who talks and the Mattel is so lazy. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye guys. Holly Jolly, Hot Wheels, and Jenga Christmas to you all.